Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Vicky Teachers. Today we are going to look at another example that will bring us to change of subject, just as we discussed the last time. Are you ready? So let's take this example. It says a rectangle has a perimeter of 40 cm. Its length is twice its width. Find the width of the rectangle. Solution. So let us first of all interpret the word problem into a mathematical equation. So the first one says a rectangle has a perimeter of 40 cm. What does this mean? It simply means that the perimeter has been calculated and the answer was 40 cm. Now the second part says the length is twice its width. What does this also mean? It means that whatever the width is, multiplied by 2, you get the length. And that simply means length is equal to 2w. Length is 2 times the width. So let's get into the problem. So the formula for perimeter of a rectangle, as we all know, it's P equals to 2 times length plus width. So in this case, since our P is already 40, we'll have 40 equals to 2 in bracket 2w plus w. You know I replaced the length with 2w because we found out that the length is equal to 2w just as the question indicated, because it said its length is twice its width. So instead of writing L, we will now write 2w. So proceeding, we have 40 equals to 2 in bracket 3w. We got the 3w by adding 2w to w. That's collecting like terms. Now we multiply what is in the brackets by 2 and we'll have 6w. Now 40 equals to 6w. Just as I told you the last time that you divide by the coefficient of the unknown. The unknown here is w and the coefficient is 6, which is beside it. So we divide both sides by 6. W will now be equal to 40 over 6. And when you reduce to the lowest term, you have 20 over 3. Now, since our W is 20 over 3, without being told, you will now know that L will be equal to 2 times W, which is 2 times 20 over 3, and that is 40 over 3. But then let's check if we are correct. In every mathematical problem, there's always a way to check if you are correct or wrong. So this one, since we already know that the perimeter is 40 cm, but let's assume we don't know. Using the formula for perimeter of a rectangle, we have P equals to, instead of writing 2 times length plus width, since we now know what our length and our width is, we now have P equals to 2 in bracket 40 over 3 plus 20 over 3. Now, when it comes to fraction, when the denominator is the same, you just add the numerator. So adding that, we'll have 60 over 3 multiplied by 2. 60 over 3 on its own is 20. Just as you know, if you multiply it by 2, you have 40. That means we are correct. We've gotten that 40. So you see, it was very simple and easy. Whenever you have a word problem, just calm down, interpret the word problem step by step into an equation. Then you proceed to solve. If there's anything you don't understand in this video, you can take it again, and I'm sure you would get it. So see you on Monday by 3 p.m. and Fridays too, same time next week. Thank you.